Got his Thai opponent on the back foot.
This video is going to teach you how to have real Muay Thai rhythm. You're not only going to learn how to be lighter on your feet and move like a true Nak Muay, we're going to give you some techniques and some attacks that you can implement with them. It's going to make you that much more better. Are you ready to show them?
Yes.
Tabernacle. Let's cook. So when we're facing each other, we're not going to be like statues. We're not going to be MMA or Western boxing. No. Relax. Bob, like a snake, Bob. I'm ready for everything. Okay, when I say I'm ready for everything, I'm ready to defend, I'm ready to attack, but it's all about rhythm. Let's think about this. If I'm have a straight stance, Tito, and I say, I'm gonna kick, boom. Is it easier or is it harder to block?
Easier.
It's easy to block, right? Versus if you have that rhythm like we spoke about earlier, this rhythm, he doesn't know when it's coming. You see? Bob, and then bomb. Which one would you think is more difficult to defend? The first one or the second one?
I think the second one was a little bit more difficult to defend.
I agree. The reason why is because you have that rhythm. This video is all about rhythm, guys. You aren't super straight like a statue. You're gonna have the rhythm like a snake, okay? Bang, you see, Bob, see, I can punch, I can kick, I can walk through knee. It all derives not only from the stance, but the rhythm that you have. Offense, defense. Offense, you see I go straight to the kick, or defense. If he kick, bam, straight block. Bam, that's my rhythm. This is how we're gonna show you how to start off. You got a little bit of soul in you, so I know you can do this. Practice in the mirror, practice when you shadow box. Right here, get in our stance, move, forth, back. Watch my right shoulder. Bam, there we go, move. See, up. See, my hands are moving. Up and step back a little bit sometimes. Step. Good. When your shoulders are moving like this, it's a little bit harder to tell if the jab is coming also. Watch how my shoulder moves. Up, you see it's moving. Slightly, I'm closing a distance. You see, I'm far away. Bring my shoulder in, and from there, boom. So it's a move like a snake. This time you think the jab is coming, and then it's a kick that all derives from your rhythm. Forth, back, forth, back. We're gonna start you off from the bottom to the top. We're gonna start with our feet, okay? Watch my feet. Up, down. I'm using the same rhythm that you use if you were to kick. Preparing myself, 1,000. You see, 2, 1,000. And then, wham! Doing it like that, it really confuses your opponent and they don't know if you're gonna kick. They don't know if you're still sticking with the rhythm. So it's very effective. Again, Tito, up, here, guys. Off the ground slightly. Here, bang, there you go. Again, the shoulders are moving front to back. Rear shoulder, front, rear shoulder, back. Rear shoulder, front, rear shoulder, back. And then sometimes you even add the hesitation in. Pop, pop, you see, move, touch a little bit, see the rhythm. Pop, go back, I don't know what he's gonna do. I don't wanna keep putting my head in here because it might be a little bit dangerous. So I have to change my rhythm up also. So, okay, I'm not gonna put my head up in there that time. Let me fake here. See, I'm faking to see what he does. Rhythm again. Bop, side step, rhythm. Watch the hands. Bop, bop, shoulders, 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 shoulders. Nice and tranquilo. Very good, Free. Because you're moving the torso like a snake, the hands are kind of like snakes also. My palms are open like two cobras. All right, so it's here. Bop. See, they look like two cobras. Am I right, Tito? Look at these cobras. See, snake bite. You ain't even see it. Shoulders in the hands. Bop. All right, shoulders in the hands. They move in unison. 1, 2, stop, stop, move, stop, bam. That's how you get your shots off. Again, bop, 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 good. Fake, move, bam. Easy rhythm, easy rhythm. So now that you know how to actually use your rhythm, we're gonna show you how to add a few attacks to it to make it that much more effective. Are you ready?
Yes.
Here we go. So you have the feet, you got the torso, you got the hands, you know all of this. Now let's add the attacks to it. We're gonna give you a few that you can add at home, but for the most part, we want you guys to come up with your own recipe, come up with your own sauce, come up with your own artwork, and let us know what you cook up in the comment section. We look forward to hearing from you. I'm gonna go tie hop, turn, straight hand, left kick. Ooh. I'm gonna go tie hop, turn, straight hand, left kick. That's the first move you can do. Remember, you're gonna have your rhythm and you're gonna spring that Thai hop in between the movement of the rhythm. It's what we mean. I have my rhythm, bop, and in between the middle, all right, this is the end, this is the start. In between the middle, that's when I use my Thai hop. Then you're gonna turn him, straight hand to get him off balance, and then you're gonna switch kick. If you rear kick, most likely he's gonna block it if they're worth their salt. So we're gonna switch and trick him. Wham, bop, bop. Move. What you got, Toothpick? This is also the defensive rhythm. I just landed a shot. He's coming towards me. Then you can go for the defensive rhythm. Back foot down, rhythm, tap, tap, tap. Hands up. I'm protecting myself with this long range. I don't want him that close, right? Right there, bop. Bop. Yep, not bad, Toothpick. What can you come up with?
The rhythm, I want to do a switch, uppercut, body shot, knee off that rhythm. Switch, stomach, knee from there.
Let's show them again slowly, off the rhythm. He's not being a statue. He's not being extra hungry. Moving like a snake. The body's relaxed. Bop, showing the palms.
Switch, uppercut, hook.
Very good. All right, next up, we're gonna go vertical jab, give rhythm, pull lead hand, body shot, leg kick. Here we go, just like I mentioned. In the rhythm, showing my palms, vertical jab, horizontal vertical. Yop, there you go, quick one. Bye-bye. Yop, there we go. Then your opponent's gonna think that you're gonna throw another vertical jab because you still have that good rhythm, but you pull, body shot, leg kick, bang, just like that. One more time. Move like a snake. You better get some room. Bye-bye. Good. Pull, bop, and then, ooh, wee. Tito, give him the same combination, but let's go a little bit faster. I'm gonna let you eat. Good. Woohoo. Scary. Yeah. Bop, bang. There we go. There you go. Very good. So remember, with the rhythm, you're gonna move forth and back. When you're doing this move, your whole body, it can't be tense. The whole body has to be relaxed, okay? Come on, one more again. The whole body's relaxed. The back foot, it goes front, down, up, down, up, down. Hands like cobras, up, move. Shoulders have the same rhythm. You go forward, shoulder go forward. You go back, shoulder go back. Bang, bang. Or also, a little key point, you don't want to have the lead hand too low. So if I'm having rhythm, I'm not doing this. It's a little bit risky. You can pull, right? Wham! I like to have the hands kind of like a canopy. So even though my chin is down and I'm low, here, up, move, move. There you go. Move, move. Ooh-wee. That's how you have real rhythm in Muay Thai. So that's only a snippet of the full version that's now available on the KMA online Muay Thai drills and workouts program. To get registered for 4 tiers of authentic Muay Thai, all you have to do is hit the link in the pinned comment or the description. If you want more Muay Thai tutorials on our channel, all you have to do is click this video right here. It's going to give you our full playlist that we know that you're going to enjoy.